Today I'm going to recreate this look on Mary Kate Olsen. This is going to be suitable for everybody, and it only takes a black eyeshadow, a brown eyeshadow, and a black eyeliner. Let's do it together. Okay, first thing, let's define our crease. I'm going to take a very light tan. You can use a bronzer or a light brown if you like. And I'm going to start by going into my crease and up onto my brow bone. Using the same color but a smaller brush, I'm going under my lash line. I'm going to grab my black eyeliner. You can use any type of liner for this, but I'm going to make sure that I'm nice and close to my lashes, sketching all the way to the inner corner, then go in your inner rim. Now on the bottom, just try to stay as close to your lashes as possible. And if you don't want to go around your outer edge of your eyeline, just stay on the inner rim like this. That's going to ensure that you don't have too much underneath your eye, and it still gives you that great definition. Now let's blend out the line with a very, very small, precise brush. I'm using a smaller brush than normal so I can make sure that I'm not going any higher than I need to. And I just want to make sure that it's kind of blown out a little bit. I don't need it to be completely blended. I still want that black to make an impact, and I want to do the same underneath. Now I'm going to take a matte black on a little precise brush like this. I'm going to place it right on top of that black line, just like this. I'm going to go on the bottom, and I'm going to do the same thing. This time, I'm going in between my eyelashes. You can take your little brush and blend if you want to. Just make sure everything is nice and seamless. Now take a matte brown. This is a dark chocolatey brown. I love black and brown contrasted together on a smoky eye, so really have fun with this one. You can go as dark as you want. I'm going to take it on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to place it here in the corner of my eye, through my crease, and up onto my brow bone. Now we're going to repeat that step until we get the darkness that we desire. So I'm going to place it here because I know in the picture she has a very dark outer corner. Taking the same brown, I'm just going to go underneath, go right over that black. I'm going over with my black shadow one more time, just here on the edge. Then I'm going to take a little bit of a bone color, or a flesh color for me, and I'm going to place that just with my finger, very lightly, just there. Now to touch up, I'm just taking a concealer pen, and I'm just going right underneath. Take a small concealer brush, and just blend outward. Finish up doing some last minute blending, don't forget mascara, and you're done.